Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 2, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel, extend it, and you should find this little moon for Do Not Disturb. Now once you tap on it, it becomes active immediately, and you can also hold it to go into the settings where you can customize it further. So from here you could set up schedules, so let's see, it's right here. So right here there is one called sleep. You can enable it, and you can also edit it by tapping on it. So you would have start and end time, so we can choose what time you want it to start and then end. Just go back to it, and you also have the repeat, so you can choose all the days of the week that you wish this to be enabled in, and then tap on done, enable it, and then it will automatically turn on at the specific time that you have set and days of the week. So that would be the automatic way you can do it, and it's probably one of the better ones. You also have a couple of other options here. So for allow contacts, and that's basically allow notifications. You can check if during the Do Not Disturb mode you will get notifications. If you don't want them, you can keep it off. Allow messages from, and also calls from. I think both of them are the same. So you have a couple options here as well. So from anyone, which defeats the purpose of this, from contacts only, from stared contacts only, which is basically your favorite contacts, and this allow all means that no one can reach you. And the same thing goes for calls as well, like I said. So you can choose how Do Not Disturb mode works even further by customizing the section right here. And then you also have at the bottom the ring for repeat calls, and what it does is if you enable this, if someone calls you twice in the span of 3 minutes, the second time they call, the call will actually go through even though you have Do Not Disturb mode enabled. So it's more for like an emergency situation. If someone really wants to reach you, they will be able to, as long as they call in quick succession. If they call once and then again in like 4 minutes, then the call again will be interrupted, taken over by the Do Not Disturb mode, so you won't see or hear anything. But yeah, that is how you would customize it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.